Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your dream home awaits an exquisitely designed 4-bedroom, 5-bath villa with walkout basement, constructed of the highest quality materials, located in Long Lane in Stony Hill. The home is filled with sunlight, natural breeze, and the sound of nature. This classic revival styled home boasts a portico and foyer tiled in rustic travertine, an elegant sweeping stairway clad in beautiful exotic Jatoba to bedrooms upstairs, where a cozy loft suite will accommodate your home office. On the main, a powder room, open plan living, dining areas, and well appointed eating kitchen and breakfast area flows out to a spacious balcony. Privacy, space, and outdoor living are yours in this exclusive enclave. The community offers 24/7 security, lush landscape gardens, a resort-style pool, clubhouse, gazebo in a cool tropical rainforest setting, an idyllic relaxed lifestyle, 5 minutes to shopping, dining, 18-hole golfing, and fitness clubs. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.25 million or Jamaican $192.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.